Wait.
Guys, life is sales, and you have to get this. At all moments, in everything that is fucking important, you're selling yourself. And it's honestly for the biggest things. Whether it's for closing deals, making money, making offers, negotiation, which is business shit, which you need sales for. It's in attracting a spouse, negotiating with family, getting what you want and getting what other people want. As an example, there are people that I care about very much, right? And I put them above myself in this world, right? Where if they're in a bad spot, right? Or if they're in a position where they can't do something and they need me, I need to be the best version of myself in order to fucking help them. And more often than not, it's related to sales, right? If I need them to go here, go there, or if they've got a problem, let's say someone's threatening them, or they owe this, or they owe that. Do I know that joke? Oh, shit. Guys, women are a distraction, yeah. Women are a distraction, remember that. It makes a big difference. So the laws are key, right? But now, more importantly, yeah, what I'm trying to say is, you need to be practicing all of the sales laws outside of the community. So outside of these sales schools. That's how you improve on the laws. That's how you improve on sales, by making it your custom, natural behavior. To make it normalized that this is the way that I act, this is the way that I speak with people, this is the way that I handle things. I use my laws. Now me, I heavily, I lean on 8 laws. I'm able to do all of the laws relatively well, but I rely on 8. And you need to figure out what laws you utilize to get through in life. So much of my life, when necessary, is Socratic questioning. Because when I need to know shit, or when I need to cause cognitive dissonance in someone's stupid brain, Socratic questioning. Tonality is key. I'm making these fucking videos trying to make them interesting. Granted, I'm not trying too hard on tonality, but because I work at it, like I'm exaggerating now, but because I work at a relative better base than everyone else, because I think of how I speak, my tonality is much better. People find me a lot more interesting. And at the same time, people dislike me a lot quicker, but I don't really give a shit about that. You guys have to be applying this to your life, because all of this matters. Do you know what's fucked? One thing that's really fucked is it happens with a lot of... Sorry ladies, this is about guys. It happens to a lot of entrepreneurs that I see. They will learn how to request 5K, 10K from a business owner, right? Oh, fuck that. Whether male or female, right? They'll take money off of somebody, but they won't have the courage, right, to ask a girl for her number. It is shocking. And I'm baffled by it. What, like, you can make a whole offer and convince someone that their money is better placed with you, money, but you can't approach a girl and ask her for her number because they don't fucking train. Now, I'm not saying go train and pick up girls, but train at all aspects of your life. Integrate as many laws as possible into your life. And I promise you, you have my fucking word, your life will get so much better, because life is all about sales. You can enter, let's say this, right? And I believe this is a great way to put it, right? Let's say there's an Arab sheikh, and this Arab sheikh has 250 projects that he needs to hand over to business owners. And the way he does it is through an interview. I promise you I'm getting a better project than you are. You have my word. I will get a higher ticket project, more responsibility, more everything. And let's assume that you're not allowed to show off what you've done in the past, right? It's just based on his decision. That's the kind of person he is. I promise you I'm going to make more money than you are. I promise I'm going to get a better fucking deal than you will. I promise I will win, because that's how I am as a person. I've integrated it into my life, and because of that, my life is a lot better. And you guys have to do the same. It's a big speech I've given, pretty much saying the same fucking thing on repeat, but it's very important. Life is sales, so get good at fucking life, get good at sales, and recognize which laws you want to stick to them, get very fucking good at them, and watch your life fucking change.